Hey everyone, for this video I'm going to show you on how to run Instagram ads. So first, of course, we have to open our Instagram. So the very important thing that you have to do is to change or switch your personal account into a professional account. So if you wanted to see a tutorial on how to do that, then please check my other videos about how to switch personal account to professional account. So as you can see in here, I've already have my professional dashboard, and we can also set up our professional account further in here. So it is a sign that my page is already on a professional account. So that's the very first step. So next is to click or choose a post in here, especially a very engaging post. In your case, for example, this one in here, on the lower right corner of that post, you'll be able to see boost post. So in here, we can run ads to be able to boost our posts. So now, what do you want people to do when they see your ad? Would you want them to visit your profile, visit a website? Would you want them to message you, or a mix of actions? So as you can see in here, it is recommended to visit your profile. So let's just go. Who do you want to see your ad? So you can select a special ad category. You can just turn this one on or off. So you just have to follow the instructions in here and choose what best suits your page. The next is the daily budget. So it depends as to how many is your budget in here. So you just have to click or drag this one to be able to know, or to be able to set your daily budget. So for the duration, you can set the duration, or you can run this ad until you pause it. So for instance, if you're going to choose the $3 daily budget, and the duration will be on 6 days that your ad will be running to that post, then your ad budget will be $18 for over 6 days. So it will be able to have an estimated reach of 11,000 to 30,000 of people, and they'll be able to see this ad. So in here, if ever you're going to drag this one to the maximum, which is $2,000 daily, then you'll be able to reach an estimated 4 million to 12 million of people. So it actually depends on your budget and all. Then you can just go on and click next, and just set up your payment method so that you can go through and boost your post. So that's it. That's how easy it is. And I hope this video helped you in any way, and if in any way that it helped you, please give us your thumbs up. And also don't forget to leave comment if you have any thoughts or opinions, and please subscribe for more Instagram content. And you can also hit that notification bell so you'll never miss an upload. And until next time, please do take care, and I'll see you in the next one.